Welcome back to Brick by Brick. Today we're going to be going through why I decided to become a LEGO investor and what my LEGO investing collection has done since. So this is set right here. This is set number 75266, the Sith Troopers Battle Pack. It has 105 pieces. It's got 4 minifigures in it, the 3 Sith Troopers as well as the pilot guy. And I decided to invest in this set because I know that LEGO Star Wars packs are generally really safe, reliable, pretty great investments, and I've gotten great returns on these before, this set too, but other LEGO Star Wars battle packs as well. So I decided to invest in it, but it was also a LEGO Star Wars battle pack, was one of the first LEGO sets I ended up investing in. So I did some research, I decided to start investing in LEGO. I didn't have a lot of money, so I wanted to buy cheap LEGO sets, and I knew that Star Wars theme was generally a pretty great LEGO theme to invest in, so I decided to buy one of the cheap LEGO Star Wars sets, which in that case was a LEGO Star Wars Battle Pack. I waited 2 or 3 years before selling it, and after I did, I was able to triple my investment or so on that LEGO set, and it was an amazing addition to my investing collection. And since then, I put that money back into my LEGO investing collection and have been able to expand it into its current size today. And a lot of it started just because I started investing in LEGO Star Wars Battle Packs. They're a pretty great option. This set right here has gone up in value. It hasn't been retired for too long. Hopefully it doubles or triples in value like the other sets. It might take a little while before that happens, but I do think it'll end up doing quite well. And another example of another LEGO Battle Pack, that LEGO Star Wars Battle Pack that did really well. This is the Mandalorian Battle Pack. It's set number 75267, has 102 pieces, and this set has actually done better than the Sith Troopers Battle Pack. I'm guessing just because there's a bunch of rare figures in this set. I think some of them are exclusive to the little Mandalorian Battle Pack build here. There's a lot of variety in the color options there for the Mandalorians. And it's also been a great addition to my LEGO investing collection. I'm glad I got some of these. Unfortunately, didn't have as many of these as I did of the Sith Troopers Battle Packs. I wish they had switched because this one has ended up doing a little better. But I'm certainly glad I was able to add it to my LEGO investing collection. So after I bought those sets, I just waited and was able to sell them and was able to make some profit and just kept recycling that into my business. And then eventually I was able to buy sets like this. So this is LEGO set 75281, Anakins Jedi Interceptor. It has 248 pieces, and it has 1 minifigure and then the R2-D2 figure. And this set, I think I got at the LEGO store, not this one exactly, but the set that was similar to this one that I bought. It was one of my first LEGO collections. I got it at the LEGO store, so I got it for retail price. But I held on to it in my room for a couple of years and eventually was able to sell it and was able to triple my investment on that set as well. And it was an amazing addition to my LEGO investing collection. This one has followed many of those similar trends. It has already gone up in value by a really good margin, somewhere between 3 times and 4 times my original investment from this set. So it's been an amazing addition to my LEGO investing collection. It depicts a very famous starship with great character in it, as well as, of course, the R2-D2 figure. And there's the Anakin Skywalker figure there. It's got some playability to the set, but a lot of the reason why I decided to invest in this one is because previous LEGO Star Wars Jedi Interceptor sets have done really well, so I decided to invest in this one as well, and it's been an amazing addition to my LEGO investing collection. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe.